Alright, what's up? Sync Darts here, and today I'm going to show you how to make these little glowing lines, usually made for YouTube backgrounds, to show off the modules a little bit more. Like as you can see in Dare Sniping, they have these around their modules just to give it like an effect. Alright, so let's jump to the tutorial. First off, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to get a perfectly like squared box right here, because if we don't have this box, we're going to end up making something looking a bit like that, like it's going to be somewhere over there, which it'll just be uneven. So make a box. Usually just line up your rulers like an even space apart and even on the y-axis too, along with the x-axis. And in order to get these rulers, go to View and click on Rulers. I don't know if you have to click on Extras or not. Yeah, you do. Alright, click on Extras and make a little box as shown right here, like that one. Alright, so first off, what you're going to want to do is create a new layer. Go over to your box, click in, and while you're doing this, hold down Shift. Click in one corner of the box, click in the other corner of the box, and then click in the other corner of the box, like so. And now what you're going to want to do to get the nice line effect is go to your brushes, choose 2 or 3 pixels, doesn't really matter, and turn the hardness all the way down to 0. And then go to your brush presets little tab over here, and if that's not there, should be, yeah, up here in the Windows tab. It'll be in brush presets. Just click it and it'll open up, and click on brush, and it'll be the brush that you're using, and click shape dynamics, because if you don't click shape dynamics, then it won't look right. Alright, so go back to your pen tool after you've done all that, right click and hit stroke path, and after you click stroke path, make sure it's on brush, and make sure you click stimulate pressure, make sure it's selected, and hit OK. And now once that's created, just click on your layer and move it out of the box. And as you can see, you made your little line, but right now it looks all skinny and naked. So right now what we're going to want to do is add some effects. So double click your layer, go to outer glow, click the box, change your color, and use the same color you used for that, and hit OK. Take screen and put it on normal, put it on 100% opacity, change the size to 8 and the spread to 2. And basically what we're going to want to do is go to inner shadow and do the same exact thing. But we're going to make, here I'll show you what we're going to do. Alright, so go to your color, click on this color again, but make it the brightest. And once it's the brightest, click OK, change the opacity to 100, size to 8, change the, put the choke on 2, and it'll look pretty nice after a while. So basically that's how you make one of them, but in order to get all 4 of them, like I had right here, you're going to have to use your transform tool. So in order to do that, click the layer that you want to be duplicated and duplicate your layer. Once it's duplicated, well, actually before you even do that, you have to delete your path or else it won't work. So delete the path. Alright, now go back to your move tool. Select the duplicated layer, hit Control T. Once you've done that, you have this little box wrapped around your line. Hold down Shift and move it over to where the box rotates. I don't know how many degrees is that. I'm confused right now. Alright, so just make sure it's like this. Just rotate it till it's like this, because right now I'm stumped. And it'll be off a little bit, and just move it up so where it's aligned perfectly. And then hold down Shift and move it over all the way until you just about have until, well, I don't know the correct length of this little avatar box, so I'm just gonna move it there for now, just to show you guys. And now take the 2 layers that you have, these two lines, and merge them. And once they're merged, you're gonna want to duplicate that again, and then rotate them just like that, and then move them down. And now, as you can see, you have your box and your lines, but in this example right here, they were brighter. And if you want to make them brighter, it's simple. Just take the 4 lines you have that you just made, merge those 2 layers, and then duplicate them. And once you duplicate them, they'll get stacked on top of each other and they'll look brighter. And just in case you guys did this beforehand and you want to put it on your YouTube background, simply just merge the layers again, go to your what's this tool called? The rectangular marquee tool. And if you want to move these anywhere, just basically anywhere, you can go like this, like go over these two lines with your box, right click and hit layer via cut. And once you hit that, these two lines over here will be in a new layer, and you can freely move them around. And if these need to be moved up or down, just do the same exact thing. Come over to the layer that you cut, make a box over one of them, hit layer via cut, and boom, you have your single one. So yeah, that's about it, guys. Don't forget to like, favorite, subscribe. Peace.